So there is no direct way to actually go ahead and generate out Microsoft Word documents in Qwen, but there's a trick that you can actually go ahead and use so that Word documents can be generated. So for that, you need to actually go ahead and give this prompt right here. So you can say something like generate a document of a blog of about 100 words on benefits to travel. Make sure to use different font sizes and highlights and colors as needed for the document. Make sure you write this as a VB script that I can run as a module in Microsoft Word. So if I were to go ahead and then do that right here and say generate a document of blog of about 100 words, then this is what you have, as you can see. So this is the Visual Basic script that has been generated, as you can see right here. So you simply got to go ahead and wait for it to finish generating. Once this is done, you can simply go ahead and copy out the code right here. In Microsoft Word, you can go around onto the Developer tab. If you don't really have this enabled, then simply right click and then go ahead on to customize the ribbon and make sure you check the developer mode right here and press OK. So once you do that, you get the developer mode over here. So you can simply go around onto Visual Basic, go around onto Insert, then choose Module, and then paste this out right here just like this and hit the run button. So once you do that, you can see that there's actually an error right here in the font section. So let's just go ahead right here and erase this part right here for a bit and hit the run button. So sometimes some code actually does not run, and that is normal. So once that is done, I can simply go ahead and close, and you can see that this is actually generated right here. So what you can do is you can go ahead and generate out Word documents right here, just like this, as you can see. So that is how you can utilize the Word document generation option using Qwen. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.